to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this makeup look here, which is a everyday, quick and easy, soft and natural makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I thought it'd be totally different than what I normally do. This time, this is going to be for people who work and also for people who just run errands and don't want to have all the other steps of makeup, just using basics to create a really nice soft look so that they can go out and about. So if you would like to see me achieve this simple look, just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. And let's get straight into the video. So to start off, I'm going to do my brows, and you guys know I love using a powder on my brows. Powder has just been working for me because I just feel like it just looks so natural. I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors palette. And the shade I always like to use is this nice chocolate shade. So I'm just gonna use that shade there. That's pretty much how I like to keep the brows, something like this. My brows are decent. So next I'm just gonna go in and clean it up with some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm pretty much running out of this, so I know I'm gonna be needing to make a pickup real soon. But I'm just gonna lightly clean the brow. I like to go in with my Real Techniques buffing brush, just like a crease brush I think, but it reminds me of like a buffing brush, but it's a crease brush, and I'm just gonna go in and clean up that concealer so everything looks natural and I don't have like a halo eyebrow going on where you can see that concealer was placed there, but I try to clean up as best as I can. I get real quiet when it comes to my brows because I just want to make sure they come out nicely. I know they're not going to be identical, but I do want to at least make sure, you know, they look decent, you know. Using the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Angel, I'm just going to go in, and to me this really defines my brows and kind of gives them that hair-like appearance. So I'm just going to use a little bit and go across the brow. Not too much, just a little bit. Then next I go on with my Wet n Wild, the Mega Clear Brow Mascara, and I just go ahead and apply that on top. I love using this clear brow gel. I have the LA Girl Pro Prep. This is the HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and that's a mouthful. I love this primer a lot. I feel like it gives my skin like a velvety finish to it. So the foundation I'm using is my favorite drugstore, and I don't care what nobody said. This foundation is bomb. I just love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation so much, the Matte Plus Poreless. But I also think I'm gonna try the new one that they came out with. I think it's called Super Stay. It's like a 24-hour foundation, and because I trust them so much with this one, I just feel like that one is gonna be bomb too. So that's the next one I'm gonna try to get my hands on. But back to this, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of this foundation here onto my face using my Real Techniques buffing brush to go ahead and apply this foundation lightly here. And I like to work in sections on my face. And I'm going for a light coverage. Going to go ahead and apply my concealer under my eye. I don't really want to have to do all those extra steps, so I just dab a little bit of this LA Girl Pro Concealer under my eye, I do take it a little bit here on my nose, and then I do conceal my upper lip. So those are just the only areas that I do conceal. And taking a makeup wedge, I just go ahead and blend out those areas. I do still set the under eye, so I'm going to take my airspun translucent powder and go ahead and set my under eye. And I also set my lid. Then I'm going in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder. This is a good drugstore powder as well, and I purchased it at Walmart, but I do believe they're at Target as well, I believe. So I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face up a bit just to bring some warmth. And this is also what I do when I'm not going to wear any eyeshadow. I like to contour my nose. And then I like to take it and go into my crease with it. Then I go ahead and apply mascara, and I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise for mascara. I do add a little bit of blush. And then I like to go in with this mineralized skin finish. It's in Gold Deposit for highlight. I do love to highlight because I just feel like when you go outside, it just really makes the skin look glowy and healthy and vibrant. So I do like to do a little bit of highlighting, and it's gonna come off on camera really soft. But I do like to just put a little bit so this looks like a natural, nice natural glow. I'm going to use the Black Radiance Perfect Tone. This is an SPF 15 lip gloss, and this will be in the color Urban Nude. I'm going to go in with this first color here. And then I'm going to use my lip plumper, and this is also a really pretty nudie pink color. Very natural for you, like an everyday makeup look. And this is Elizabeth. I'm going to apply Elizabeth first. And then go in with the Urban Gloss. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more mascara for like a second layer because I'm not wearing any false lashes. And you guys, my lashes are really like they're pretty much non-existent. So if I'm gonna make them look like something decent, you probably can't see them on camera. I have a little something, so I'm gonna finish it up with this facial spray. This is the Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea. I'm trying to get rid of this because I actually like the rose water one better. Okay everybody, so that basically concludes today's makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this everyday makeup look. I feel like it's really simple and easy without all the lashes and all that other good stuff. I wanted to do this makeup look because I have a lot of looks where I'm kind of dolled up, and realistically most of the time we're not always like that. You know, that's more of like for the weekends, or you're going somewhere nice and you want to doll your face up. But this is pretty much my look. If there's anything else you want to see, please feel free to let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.